The Carparking Multiplayer 1 beta update finally dropped. This time the developers chose to add 4 cars in the game.
Nice.
The first car we're going to look at is none other than the highly anticipated Toyota Fortuner. Its interior is pretty much detailed. It's very spacious for its size and is made with mostly black cabin with some silver accents. The second car we're going to look at is the Ford F650. The Ford F650 is basically what happens when a pickup truck hit the gym and never stops bulking. This is not your everyday truck. The F650 is massive.
And you know what else is massive?
It has a wide body and a tall stance, almost 2 times the height of the character, and just looks unreal.
Baba Booey.
Despite the rugged exterior, the inside is very basic and spacious. At the moment, the only way to get the Toyota Fortuner and the F650 is by reaching level 40 on the new construction event, or buying it from another player.
Bruh.
Bullshit.
Next, we've got a new garage, which is a lot brighter and more colorful. This has a lot of details, and as you guys can see, we've got some NPCs working as mechanic on the background, as well as a highway nearby. Furthermore, they've added some matching outfits for both male and female characters. Their prices range between 400 and 700 coins. Boys, before we carry on with the video, shout out to these awesome subscribers. If you also want a shout out on the next video, then make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and comment shout out. On this new update, I've noticed that we now have new NPCs that are working at the construction site. That is located in City 1. It's also caught my attention that the devs have added these mini construction sites spread across the map.
Baba Booey.
One of the remaining 2 cars that I haven't mentioned is this BMW M2G 87. On the game store, it's cost 144 rands, which is equivalent to $8 US. This car is one of the most powerful entry-level M cars in real life and has a significantly wider body than the old M2, helping with grip and stance. The interior is a mix of race cars, modern tech, plus daily comfort. It's very driver-focused, but still premium enough to feel like a proper BMW. The last car is a really old Mercedes, which looks very similar to the Nissan 2024Z. This car is a modern throwback in a clever way. Inside, it mixes old school plus modern-day tech. It has the classic triple-gauge pod, which includes the boost, turbo speed, and voltage. It's strictly a 2-seater with no fake backseats. Mercedes really outdone themselves with this car. On the game store, it costs 2,500 coins and comes with 400 horsepower. Additionally, on this new update, the devs have surprised us with a really cool feature called the CPM editor. This feature allows us to add props to any map such as cones, car statues, roadblocks, trees, streetlights, etc. This makes gameplay and roleplay more creative. Moreover, they've reworked this BMW M0 and the RX-7. We can now open the bonnet, doors, trunk, and they've also added a new sound and interior on it. To be honest, I think this might be one of the best updates we've had for CPM 1 in a while. With that being said, if you guys have made it this far, make sure to comment W so I know who the real channel supporters are.
W's in the shot.